like humans. Crude oil is delivered by pipeline or tanker. Before processing, it goes through desalting to remove salt, water, and dirt. The crude oil is heated to very high temperatures, around 350 to 400 degrees Celsius, and sent into engines. Some heavy parts are not very useful, so refineries convert them into lighter fuels. Cracking breaks large molecules into smaller ones.
Fuel must meet strict quality standards, so it goes through desulfurization, which removes sulfur for cleaner burning fuel.
Different streams are mixed to get the final product. Petrol is blended for correct octane level. Diesel is adjusted for viscosity and performance. Finished fuels are stored in large tanks and then transported by pipelines, trucks, ships. This is where the journey of energy begins. Beneath the ground, crude oil rises to the surface. Welcome to the refinery. The journey begins as crude oil arrives through vast pipelines and giant tankers. Inside this unit, water is mixed with crude oil. Electricity is applied, forcing salt and dirt to separate. The oil is heated to extreme temperatures, over 350 degrees Celsius. It turns into a mix. Inside this tall steel giant, temperature changes from bottom to top. The heaviest molecules stay low, the lightest rise upward. The oils are broken down in powerful reactors. This is called cracking, where giant molecules are shattered into smaller, more valuable ones. Petrol is improved in quality. Its performance is boosted so engines run smoother and stronger. Invisible chemical changes create high-energy fuel.
Sulfur and harmful compounds are removed. Cleaner fuels mean less pollution, better engines, and safer air.
Different streams are carefully mixed. Every drop is controlled. Petrol is adjusted for octane. Diesel is tuned for power and efficiency. Precision is everything.